Over 10,000 households in 6 arid and semi-arid counties will be offered safe cooking options financed by a grant aimed at spurring uptake and use of clean cooking. Energy and Petroleum Principal Secretary Alex Wachira says this is part of the National Clean Cooking Strategy, seeking to transition the masses from solid biomass and kerosene to cleaner and environmentally friendly options.
About 60% of households in Kenya use the traditional fireplace for cooking.
We believe with the help of the partners that we do have, Clean Cooking Alliance, we hope that by the year 2028, we should be able to achieve our target of having clean energy for cooking.
This is despite government's plan to transition to safer cooking and energy options such as biogas, bioethanol, LG, solar PV, mini-grids and grid electricity. This is part of the National Clean Cooking Strategy that targets universal access to clean cooking in Kenya by the year 2028.
By promoting this kind of clean cooking stove, I think it will help people understand that they can benefit from clean energy and also to prevent people from cutting natural forests.
Wachira says the lifting of the logging ban is not a license to deforest Kenya's catchment areas and warned those looking to resume charcoal burning in forests of dire consequences.
Those who are going to be given licenses for logging are being given licenses with clear diameters that you are going to log from this point A to point Z. Why? Because point A to point Z, that's where we have mature logs, and you are clearly told not to cut down any other tree.
Under the new dispensation, the Kenya Forest Service is set to increase surveillance to deter unauthorized persons from the forest. Regina Manyara reporting for Easy Friday.